how to call someone on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will guide you that how can you make a call to someone on Snapchat. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open Snapchat on your device. So simply open the Snapchat. Alright, so after you open the Snapchat, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on chat section just at the bottom. So simply tap on chat. And now from here, you'll have to select that conversation or select that person in the Snapchat for the call. So I will choose this account. And now from this interface, you'll be able to make a video call or audio call. So to make that, you'll got two options here. Like at the top right corner of the screen, you will see options like video. So from there, you can make a video call. And on the another section, you'll got a phone icon. And from there, you'll be able to make a audio call on Snapchat. So you can preferably choose your choice and make a call on Snapchat. So for that, you'll have to tap on that option. Alright, so as you can see, this is the simplest process to call someone on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.